Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to root your Samsung Galaxy S4. I have a Samsung Galaxy S4 here. It was rooted, I unrooted it, and I'm going to teach you guys how to root your S4. You're going to need one thing only, two things actually. You're going to need a USB cable, which I have mine here, and you will need the root files here, and the Samsung driver must be installed. So I will include the Samsung driver in a download package in a zip file, including the root files. When you get the root files, extract it and make sure not to remove any of these from the folder. All these files need to be in the same folder. So please make sure you have that in the same folder. Now to get started, we're going to, I'm going to open up my Galaxy S4 here, and you're going to turn off your device. Once it shuts down, I'll be back in frame with it. Okay, so it's completely off. Now we need to put the phone in download mode. And to do this, you need to hold down the down key on the side of the phone, the power key here, and the key on the home button right here simultaneously. So let's do that. I'm using both hands because it's easier. Well, I don't think you can do it without both hands anyway. Now, when the phone goes in download mode, it will give you a warning about, going into your iOS and whatever the warning is. Hit the up volume key, and it will take the phone into download mode. Once it does that, plug your phone in to your computer, and we're done with the phone. We can put that away. Now, we're going to go into the root app files I gave you, and there's an ODM3 file here. I like to run it as administrator, so I right-click, run as administrator. And for all you Mac users, this is not available on Mac yet, so you need to get a hold of a Windows PC in order for this to work. Whoops, almost knocked my thing over here. Now you want to go to, you see how it's yellow here means it detects my phone. If yours is not yellow and doesn't say like a COM3 or something like that, meaning it hasn't detected your phone. Let me zoom in a little bit and see if you guys can have a better view of what I'm doing here. Now that we have this, it's all zoomed in, and you guys should be able to see the clearer. We're going to go ahead and click on the PDA button right here. Let's check the PDA box. Click on the PDA button. Inside that root files, we have root files. You need to browse that file for the CF Auto root file. Click on it. Click open. Once you click open, click start. You'll see this bar running, giving you progress. And there we go. It should turn green, and here it should say succeed 1, fail 0. Once that happens, it will reboot your phone. I'm sorry guys, I should have probably turned off my overhead lights before I start this tutorial. It's going to restart. I'm going to let the phone reboot. It's still starting up, and like I said, I don't have my other camera, so pausing is not an option in this camera. Okay, so my thing starts up. You can go ahead at this point and unplug your phone from your computer. I'm going to unlock my screen. Now that my screen is unlocked, I got a program installed already called Root Checker. You can find this on the Android market by just going into the Android marketplace and type in Root Checker. Never mind, my weather is updating, but let's go into my program, and I'll search for my root checker that I have installed. this is the root checker I'm using. You guys can browse, it's called Root Checker Basic. So if I click on that, it will open up. Then I click Verify Root. And see, congratulations, this device has root access. So mean it's rooted and it's working fine, so you guys should be able to do whatever you want without limitations. For you guys, it might ask, sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't, to grant root access. It might pop up a little screen saying grant root access. Go ahead and grant it root access, the root checker, root access, and everything should work fine from here on out. My next video will be teaching you guys how to turn S on. Meaning turning on your Wi-Fi tethering, the one that was built into the phone from the manufacturer, not a third-party applications or anything like that, without paying your service providers. I'm personally big on that one because service providers, we already have internet on our phone and they're charging people $30 a month, some carriers, just to turn on flip a switch in the background in their phone. And they're charging them for internet you already have. So stay tuned for my next video. I'll show you guys how to turn S on. Alright? You guys have a great one.